Have you ever recorded a video only to find out that there are so many unwanted spots surrounding your main background and it's stealing the spotlight? Don't worry. You don't have to reshoot the video because in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to crop out those unwanted spots that surrounds your background so that your viewers can focus on what exactly is necessary. Let's hit CapCut. So open up your CapCut, tap on New Project, and select the video you want to use for your illustration, and you click Add. So as you can see, the video on my timeline has some unwanted parts to the left hand side and to the right hand side, all right? And we have to fix this. So how do we go about it? The first and the simplest method, right, is to tap on the video on your timeline to select it. How do you know that your video is selected? If you look at your display window, you see this pale green, or you see this border, colored border surrounding your display window. That's the first way to know that your video is selected. If you look at your timeline, you see this white border, right, surrounding your video. That's also an indication that your video is selected. Since your video is selected now, just use your two fingers to gently zoom out the video until the unwanted part is covered. As you can see at this point, if I play my video, those unwanted region that we had earlier to the left and to the right is no longer here. So this is the first and simplest method to crop your video. The second method of cropping our videos has to do with using the mask tool. So once again, tap your video to select. Scroll down your menu bar, click on mask. Click on the rectangular mask tool. Click on it again to reveal its properties. Now click on size. To crop the length, which is the x-axis, swipe this line to your left to get your desired size. Also, to get the height, which is your y-axis, swipe this line also to your left to get your desired size. Make sure you adjust all the sizes to fit. Tap on this icon to exit this interface and tap on this to authenticate. So as you can see, those unwanted part has been cropped out. There's also another method which has to do with using the crop tool itself. So just tap on your video to highlight, scroll down your menu bar, tap on crop. You have various aspect ratios which you can crop your video to. For example, you have the 9:16, which is the vertical form, and the 16:9, which is the YouTube size, and so on and so forth. But we're not going to use any of those. We're going to crop ours manually. So to crop manually, drag these handles inside. You can also adjust these ones to crop horizontally. When you are okay with what you've done, tap on this to authenticate. Now let me play this my video. So you realize that all those unwanted parts that surrounded the background is no longer there. So that's it guys on today's tutorials. I believe after watching this video, you should be able to crop out those unwanted parts in your background. If you found this video valuable, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.